Let's make this beautiful dress. First thing I did was to fold my pattern into two. I'll draw a straight line which is going to be my shoulder line. Take shoulder divided by 2 and mark that up. I'll be sliding it down by 1 inch. Move now to the armhole depth, mark it up, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it up. Once I'm done doing so, the next thing I'm going to do is to mark the neck depth and the neck width of 3 by 3 inch. Connect it up, then I'll be connecting up my shoulder slope. I will measure over on my armhole depth line divided by 2, go in by half an inch. Then I'll put 1/4 of my bust measurement. After that, I'm going to go ahead and connect it up. I'll go ahead now to measure from the shoulder to the waistline, from the shoulder to hip line, and shoulder to the length of the dress, and connect it up with straight line. Now put 1/4 of the bust, 1/4 of the waist, and 1/4 of the hip. And I will also mark 1/4 of the hip at the hemline. I'm going to go ahead and connect that up. After connecting it up, I'm going to go ahead and cut it up. From the waistline, I'm going to go up by 1.5 inch. Then I'll go down by 2 inch. But I later end up going down at least by 1.5 inch. Neck depth, I'll go down by 2.5, and then I'll come here, I'll go in by 1 inch. Mark, and I'm going to connect that together. So I'll connect it all the way to the center line. You can see the line right at the middle there. Then I'll cut it up. So I'm going to use this piece to trace up another piece for it, because one is going to be with the drapped and the other one is going to be without the drapped. The back is just going to be a normal back. Now I'm going to move one piece inside, and we'll go ahead now. Draw lines. You can see what I'm doing here. We'll level them up, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it up. We're going to take another paper, place this on it. Then the more you spread, the more allowance you get, okay? The more pleats you get. So what I do here is about 2 inch. You can do 2 inch, you can do 3 inch, depending on you. So I'm just going to gum it to another paper. Then I'll go ahead and pleat them up like this inside, so I'll be able to cut it up while making sure I add some pins to it to hold it up. Then I'm going to go ahead now and cut it up. After cutting it, here is what we have. The part that is going to go on it is going to be with pleats. The part that is going to go under, it's going to be without a pleats. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Follow me on my Facebook, Anita Handmade Creation, YouTube, Anita Handmade Creation, and TikTok, Anita Handmade Creation. Thank you so much. I hope to see you some other time. Bye-bye.